To add a new service invoice, the user must navigate to the Sales menu. Click on the Transactions submenu and select the Service Invoice option. This will display the home page of the Invoice menu. To add a new service invoice transaction, click on the Add button located at the top right corner of the header section. When the Add button is clicked, a new form appears. Select the business unit for which the invoice is to be created. The transaction reference will be automatically generated as configured in the Reference Formula option under the Settings menu. Next, click on the Client field and select a client by searching with the exact alphabet keyword so that the system can fetch the relevant result. The user can enter any special reference for this invoice transaction. Currency will be automatically fetched based on the selected business unit. Rates will be generated as per the uploaded value. If no data is available, the system will fetch rates from an online platform. Rates can also be modified during the transaction. The date field will automatically log the current system date, but it can be changed to a previous date if required. The preferred rate field can be edited if needed. Otherwise, the rate configured in the settings against the base currency will be displayed. The cost center can be selected from the drop-down menu either by scrolling or filtering with the appropriate character. The payment method can also be selected from the drop-down menu. By default, credit 15 days will be shown as per the system configuration. Any notes to be included can be entered in the Notes field. If any attachments are needed, they can be added by clicking the Browse option. In the Material section, the user can enter the service as free text in the given field and specify the quantity along with the price. Then, enter the discount and VAT percentage, if applicable. Any additional notes for this service can also be entered in the corresponding field. To add multiple entries, click on the green plus icon. The system will display a new empty row where the user can again enter the service and other related details. The system also provides an option to handle bulk processing by uploading services in Excel format. Click on the shown icon to download the template, enter all the service details, save the Excel file, and select Import from XLS to upload the data seamlessly. All the values entered above will be displayed in the Totals section, including the total quantity of services, total amount, total discount, and total VAT. The net amount for the transaction will be displayed in the corresponding field. Once all the details are entered, click on Save. The entered details will be saved successfully and displayed on the home page. Initially, the transaction will be in draft status, allowing the user to make necessary changes. To view a service invoice transaction, click the View icon under the Action column. This will display the individual service invoice transaction details. To edit a service invoice transaction, click the Edit icon. The Service Invoice Transaction screen will open in edit mode. Once the changes are made, the user can save the updated data. A transaction can only be edited while in draft status. Once the status changes to confirmed, no updates can be made. A duplicate option is provided to minimize the user's effort. The system will create a duplicate entry of the service invoice transaction with pre-filled data, where the user can make the necessary changes. And save. The new entry will then appear on the home page. If the user attempts to print a transaction while it is still in draft mode, an error message will be shown. To print a transaction, the user must confirm it first. This can be done by clicking the Confirm option under the Action column. Upon approval of the confirmation message, the transaction will be confirmed. Then, click on the Print option under the Action column to view the Service Invoice printout in a new tab. To print any transaction, its status must be confirmed. The Delete option under the Action column will be disabled when the Service Invoice transaction is in confirmed status. To delete a Service Invoice transaction, ensure it is in draft status, then click the Delete icon under the Action column. The system will display a confirmation message, and upon confirmation, the Service Invoice transaction will be deleted.